Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 Pro, and I'll show you how to adjust notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should open the notification bar. And then just swap with your finger to the edit item, just tap there, and as can you see here we get all our available items on our notification panel, and here on the down section we got the icons that we can add to our notification panel. And just if you want to add the one from this icon, hold the icon and drag it here to the up position, and as can you see we just successfully added one more icon to our notification panel. By the same way we can add one more icon here, and if you want to remove the icon, by the same way just press and hold for a while and drag it here to the down position, this the icons by this way. So and also you can here switch the positions of your icon here on the notification panel. Just press and hold for a while and drag it to the position where you want to just add the icon, and then just you can tap to down to save all the changes, or you can reset also all the changes. And now just I'll tap to down, and you can see here the changes on our notification panel. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.